Bitcoin money really is a mid-position digital currency at present estimated at $228.35 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,473,233,220, which generally is genuinely huge. Over the especially past kind of couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and sort of are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, or so they in a real sense thought. A few institutional financial backers even especially consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they truly thought. Retail financial backers and brokers in a real sense are somewhat keen on digital currencies, all things considered, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources all things considered have the really potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately essentially brief timeframe. These profits in a real sense are in every practical sense, impossible in every practical sense, different business sectors, which really is the justification for why most kind of moderate financial backers sort of are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones by and large give a huge piece of their exceptionally cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $228.35, where it right now basically sits in a significant manner. As currently referenced, BCH generally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the especially metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the in every practical sense, current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, really in spite of prevalent thinking. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization truly remains at $4,473,233,220. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be basically made sense of later. Our cost expectation calculation fundamentally is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to truly furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough generally evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in a real sense choose whether or not it actually should be reconfigured, or so they certainly thought. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is entirely vital for the especially right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its sort of present and future course. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Beneath you will find commonly key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could really have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market basically is going, or so they in a real sense thought. Yesterday, on December 18, BCH was esteemed at $225.93 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that digital currencies for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they really thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period generally added up to 2.57%, or so they especially thought. 7 days prior, on December 12, Bitcoin money fundamentally was exchanged at $230.33 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that essentially near its especially present position. On November 19, which certainly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $227.48, the cost level that really is at the distance of 0.38% from where it at present stands, in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX certainly are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which basically is very huge. Market capitalization in every practical sense is another significant by and large metric that certainly assists traders with really deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a kind of significant manner. It's additionally used to in every practical sense survey the offer that Bitcoin money certainly holds inside the fundamentally whole digital currency market. The equation for the computation of market capitalization fundamentally is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to really is duplicated by its most certainly current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH essentially remains at $4,473 233 220, enough to name it the 22nd in every way that really matters, biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which by and large is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on December 18, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money really remained at $4,425 487 399, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on December 12, the capitalization of BCH truly was $4,510 500 607 versus the generally thought. A month prior, on November 19, how much sort of capital streaming around this in every practical sense, specific market for the most part, added up to $4,450 128 568 in an exceptionally significant manner. Most digital currency financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a genuinely certain cryptographic money and its capacity to truly endure disturbances, which certainly are the in every practical sense normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, which basically is genuinely huge. The most extreme stock of Bitcoin money sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The sort of complete stock of BCH presently explicitly remains at 19,589 300 coins, so a few institutional financial backers even basically consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against a taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy incredibly. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey truly is 19,589 300 BCH, exhibiting that yesterday, on December 18, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money really remained at $4,425 487 399, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't really be in every practical sense complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it's the especially metric utilized by basically all digital currency brokers to explicitly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a kind of enormous manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain by and large is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there in every practical sense is an especially high likelihood that this move is impractical and would really bring about a bullish snare in an unpretentious manner. Hence, it's critical to dissect the most certainly past and the sort of current exchanging volume of BCH request to explicitly comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in a sort of significant manner. Yesterday, on December 18, BCH for the most part had an exchanging volume of $154 386 048 versus the sort of thought. 7 days prior, on December 12, the by and large normal sort of everyday exchanging volume on that market added up to $279.00 win 485. Showing how the cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX really are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which generally is genuinely critical.